Amazon is trying to make Fire TV work better to watch live programming, but it's starting in a very small way. In recent weeks, Amazon has launched channel guides and a complimentary feature called On Now, which shows what is currently playing on compatible networks. And as of today, Amazon is also adding the ability to activate live channels through Alexa. Unfortunately, at launch, the list of compatible networks is really small, only HBO, Showtime, Starz and Cinemax channels. And even if you have access to them, you may not be able to use these features, because you have to subscribe to those services through Amazon Channels, a hidden service on Prime Video that allows you to subscribe to cable channels through your account. Amazon. That means if you have a featured subscription to HBO Now or HBO Go, you have no luck. All that is quite confusing, and it is not clear if Amazon can change it soon, since most of the transmission services do not allow you to access the live programming. However, Amazon says it plans to expand the number of channels allowed, but will presumably remain Amazon channels only for the foreseeable future. If you have a TV with built Fire TV software, all this may sound familiar. The guide channels and On Now were already compatible with televisions with Fire TV interface, which used to display local listings if you connect an antenna. So, the big problem here is that Amazon seems to be trying to expand this to digital services, but clearly the beginning is slow.